First, take the MDF board. Then, paint the board with your favorite color. Make sure that you are painting on the half side of the board. If you wanted to lighten the color, add a little bit white. Put some glue on the side of the board, then place some paper straw one by one. You have to continue for spreading the glue. Just arrange them like this. Now, cut the excess pieces of the straw. Forget the shape of the back. Now, fix a yarn on the back of the board of hanging it. For hanging it. Now, you can decorate with your favorite artificial flowers like this. Ta-da! It turned like this. How is it? Just comment.